What's going on, everybody? So I've been thinking about doing this video for quite a while, and I'm not going to do any long intros because I know y'all don't really want to see all that. You clicked on it because you saw slow motion blow off valve. So I'm hoping what I bring you is actually, you know, slow motion blow off valve. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and just show you real quick. I'm gonna be mounting it. As you can see, my blow off valve is right there. You can see the diaphragm right there. So I'm thinking probably gonna mount it right about, hold on one second, about right here. And I'm probably gonna end up using some of this wire right here. Go ahead, because I was gonna use zip ties, but it's a very hot engine bay. When you have twin turbo, you know, it's so tight up inside there already. Yeah, it gets pretty dang warm in there. So I may consider removing that because it's not raining, which I haven't bolted it back in place. I really just gotta disconnect this, and then I can just pull this out. This way I'm just getting a little bit more air being vented. That's really just the reason why I'm doing this. So, because as you know, with the air traveling over the hood, oh look, little bug here, he's dead. As you know, with the air traveling over, it's gonna draw air out as it passes over the hood coming up through here. But enough about that. That's not what you came for. I'm gonna mount this here and I'm gonna take it for a ride. I'm gonna see what I get. So here we go. All right, so we got what we were looking for. I got the diaphragm lifting. And let me tell you, that GoPro, or I would say this GoPro that recording, I had to actually stick it in the fridge when I got done, because boy was it hot. I mean, I don't know what the temperatures are down there, but I know it gets really, really, really hot. So yeah, I mean, it's great. I got, like I said, got exactly what I was going for. This is gonna be it for the video. I just wanted you to see that. And if you enjoyed the video, go ahead, like, subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.